America has a drug problem. It has grown to epic proportions between hospitalizations, policing, the death toll, and the emotional toll. It is difficult to even truly calculate what it's actually costing us. We've been battling the opioid crisis now for decades, and the problem is getting worse, not better. Now, in spite of all this, there are evidence-based tools available that might help to push us in the right direction. Safe injection sites save lives and they save money. Now, while safe injection sites are only one critical piece in the puzzle of reducing harm, they are a powerful evidence-based tool that has been used in the international community. Now, if you phrase the question, do you think people should be allowed to use illicit drugs? You go down a very different thought process than if you ask the right question. The right question is, do you support a healthcare service that prevents overdose deaths, cuts infection risk, saves healthcare costs, reduces public disorder, and increases the number of people going into treatment by 30%? The city of Seattle asked that question, and the city of Seattle, based upon a task force, has determined it is time to utilize this tool. Jeff Duncan, the King County Health Officer, said, "We see this as a public health emergency. Clearly the status quo isn't working anywhere, and clearly we need to look at new tools, such as safe injection sites." Seattle Mayor Ed Murray said, "These sites save lives, and that is our goal in Seattle, King County." Now, despite this fact, not everyone agrees. January of 2017, State Senator Mark Malosia, a Republican from Federal Way, has introduced a bill to ban safe injection sites for heroin users in Washington state. The move comes after a task force last year recommended 2 sites to address King County's opioid crisis. Flash forward to last month. Senate Bill 5223 passed in the Republican-led Senate Thursday, April 6th, on a 26-23 vote, and now heads to the Democratic-controlled House, where it is not expected to advance. Folks, that's where we are now. We are here today to discuss House Bill 1761 concerning safe injection sites in Washington state. Yes, the Senate bill passed based upon fear and ideology. This bill should not pass. The most important thing you remember today: safe injection sites save money and save lives. That's what the evidence shows. Say no to House Bill 1761.